We are a worldwide provider of a communication, cloud, and networking solution. So we deliver all the means to make everything connect. Our solution can be used on-premise, in the cloud, or in a hybrid way. And to give you a sense of scale, I would say that right now we have more than 50 million users that are connected to each other thanks to our solution. I think we do have an advantage of knowing well the market we are in, and we bring solutions that match exactly the market needs. I can take an example with the vertical markets we target, like healthcare, hospitality, and other, where we don't only deliver a generic product, but we do have solutions that are dedicated to those verticals, dedicated to those environments, and to the challenge that they have to answer in those environments.
I sell technology to their customer in order to enable them to perform the digital transformation. But the digital transformation is not only about technology. Digital transformation is only efficient if it allows the customer to create value in their processes. That's why, in AELI, all our solutions are business process oriented. Our roadmap are focused to bring value to the customer.
In AELI, we have always been pushing innovation from a technical perspective, but also a commercial approach. And so we have, through the year, experimented with many models.
This is my favorite story. Because as all good stories, this began with failure. We think about digital transformation from a very long time. Very in advance compared when digital transformation was a buzzword. We identify the tools, the architecture, the framework that we want to put in place in order to support this digital transformation. And that was fine. Unfortunately, we failed. Nobody understands what we want to do. So, first lesson, the digital transformation must not be imposed. The digital transformation comes from the change of the culture of the company. We must transform by the example.
This process of experiment, fix, improve, repeat has been key for us to deliver our transformation. What we have is that we have setup that is in place to accompany the transformation, and so now it can occur rapidly and help us to be better and always move forward. We are a company that has been through a lot of change and transformation, and I think adaptation is really part of our DNA. What we want to do is to go beyond just providing technology in form of apps or infrastructure. With more efficient process, along with the right tool, I think we are going beyond just being the tech guys that bring punctual solution to a specific problem with a specific technology. And I see us more as an agent of transformation, adapting first the process with the user and customer in the heart and the center of it, and then bringing the technology to make it work.
Digital Studio is a way for us to focus on value creation. We provide all the resources, all the means to a small team of experts, both from business and from IT organization, in order to create value. We assign them targets to achieve and give them all the autonomy to take the decision to meet this target.
With the Digital Factory, we aim to provide constant repeatability and so reliability in what we deliver. With Digital Studio, we bring agility and innovation to be better, faster, and more linked to the market. What I like about what we are doing with the Studio and Factory, we are offering on one side stability and on the other side change, and we are doing that at the same time. So it's not one or the other, it's really both of them, and we have then reliability and innovation, and the combination of the two is what I think will help us go forward and transform even further. Nobody right now has the luxury to stay put and wait to adapt or change. This is true for big, medium and small players. And there I'm talking not only about the agile methodology, which is important, but also the mindset and the willingness to change. And by not using agile method or mindset, you will at some point, I think, be out of the game because things are going too fast and you can't stay still and wait for them to go through.